Welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Kobe 6 Protro All-Star colorway. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, on the marking area here, the layer is a little bit higher on the fake one compared to the authentic. It looks thicker on the fake one than on the authentic one. Another sample you can see here, the layer on the authentic is following the shape of the midsole, whereas on the fake one you can see there is no layer here. This one is slightly higher, isn't following the shape of the midsole, and this one also there is no layer, completely no layer here on the forefoot. This one also, this one is just a little bit, and this one still same. You can see on the marking area there is no layer, should be layer all the way here, all around here. And this one there is a lot of glue stain, you can see here, and also the layer is a little bit higher. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here, the layer on the fake one is totally different with the OG here. And this one also, the Nike shoes, there is no gap between the Nike shoes and the layer. It should be like the authentic, at least it has a little bit gap. And this one also, the layer is completely higher than on the authentic, it's a little bit thicker. And this one also, the layer isn't following the shape of the midsole, you can see it's a little bit wavy. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see, the gap between the signature Kobe signature and the midsole is too far. And also you can see here, this one is black color on the authentic, this one is a little bit, it has a little bit red color, it's like a silhouette red. And this one also, you can see there is a glue stain right here. And also the gap is too far between the lining and the ankle protection. And also the signature, Kobe signature, slightly go down, it touched the midsole. Whereas on the authentic one, the Kobe logo and the midsole, it has a little bit gap. Take a closer look, you can see here, the logo is different, the signature is different, is wrong. This one on the authentic, it has a little bit dots, this one is connect. It's completely different. Another sample again, also this one there is no gap here between the midsole and the Kobe signature. And the last one is the outsole, the completely different. The color is darker on the fake one, it's looking messed up, whereas on the authentic is all clear white, whereas on the authentic is icy blue color, is looking very clean. Alright guys, that's my explanation, I hope you get it, and if you have any question and request, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can make another video just like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.